Hey everybody.
Good morning.
Today we're getting ready for our Norwegian cruise to Canada.
Woo! So it's cruise preparation day.
Yeah, our cruise is tomorrow. But today there's been a little bit of messery, I guess you could call it.
Yes.
There's a tropical storm hanging out down near Florida. And one of our friends joining us on our cruise is flying in from Fort Lauderdale. She's supposed to head in tomorrow, but because the storm is looking pretty crazy, she actually switched her flight. So we're headed to Boston to pick her up this morning, and then we'll be heading back to Boston tomorrow for the cruise.
Yay! But it is what it is. She's getting to come here. She's in the air right now.
Yeah.
So we know hopefully she's gonna be here.
We were stressing that she was gonna miss it, and it would have just, you know, not been as fun. I don't know if we wouldn't have been able to enjoy ourselves as much if she didn't make it. But she's in the air. She'll be here shortly. So we're gonna head to the airport, pick her up. We're gonna bring you with us and just kind of finish our packing for today. We'll probably get some lunch or something after the airport. So we decided, you guys, you're coming with us.
You're coming with us today, and good luck to everyone in the hurricane path. Hurricane Helene. I don't know if it's a hurricane yet, at least at this point. I guess it's turning into a hurricane.
They keep talking about it, so they're saying it's gonna be pretty serious. So we hope all is good. A few years ago with Ian, our parents' house got pretty
messed up in Punta Gorda.
Yeah.
Hoping that doesn't happen for anyone this time.
We are praying. All
right, let's go have some fun. Get ready for our cruise!
Woo! We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
But first, we are also puppy sitting today. Our friends here going to do the Cog Railway, so we gotta watch the puppies for a little while, which we love. We need puppy love since we lost our babies. So
This is Angel.
the big one, the Bernese Mountain Dog, is Angel. She has severe social anxiety, and it took me like 2 months to get her good with us. And she doesn't like other people, so that not anybody can just walk them. Milo has a friend. Hold on, Milo. But we love taking care of them. Angel, you're so pretty.
Yeah.
Yes, you're a pretty girl. But we're gonna walk them first, and then we're heading to Boston. Fall's definitely happening here at our campground.
Yep, we got leaves.
The leaves are everywhere. Lots of yellow ones in here, but it's the end of September, so the one's gonna keep changing, and we can't wait for it.
Can we just see what the foliage looks like in Canada?
In Canada, yeah. What are you doing? Are you gonna go poop in the leaves? She's doing her circles. But yeah, we love it here. End of season here at our campground because there's not a lot of people here. It's dead. It's very quiet, beautiful. We love it.
Yep, we got it.
Oh, Cody used to love the poop in the leaves too. Oh, my husband Cody. Special delivery!
We gotta get a Dunkin' latte. They're the best freaking coffees Dunkin' has right now. It's made with coffee milk. If you don't know what that is, figure it out. It's so good. Like, I'm excited.
And you got larges.
Heck
Ooh, we're on vacation.
Cheers.
Cheers. We've been being good, trying to eat right before this cruise. But technically, cruise preparation day, we're on vacation.
Exactly.
Yesterday was our last day of work while the campground was open. We do have to work after our cruise, after we get back a little bit to close up the campground.
So we're missing the last weekend that they're open, but it's usually pretty slow anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, today's the first day of vacation.
Yay!
Woo!
Starting it off with a Dunkin' latte. It's an iced latte, and it's 57 degrees out, and we're still drinking iced coffee.
Oh my God, this gives me life, I swear to God.
Dunkin' gives us life.
I'm telling you, try the Dunkin' latte. If you like Dunkin', give it a shot because it is so freaking good. We love it here in New Hampshire. There's water everywhere. Don't come at me for my dirty windshield either. And we're seeing more fall colors. It's so exciting.
New Hampshire is the state of 1,000 lakes.
Yeah, it's crazy. There's like almost 1,000 lakes here.
It's like 941 lakes in tiny little New Hampshire.
It's like there's water everywhere we go, which I absolutely love. And then the fact that you can get to the mountains, you can get to the beach.
At the roundabout, take this.
But yeah, we still have like an hour drive to Boston from here.
Boston, and then we're gonna do it again tomorrow.
Yay!
We're so excited. I'm just glad that Christina, our friend, is in the air and she's on her way, because we were so scared that she wasn't gonna be able to make it. So I'm excited. It's worth the double trip to Boston, right, Kim?
Yeah, I guess so. We would have really been bummed otherwise.
Yeah, it would have, like, I don't even know if we'd been able to enjoy ourselves.
Stupid hurricanes, pro tip.
Yeah, pro tip, don't go cruising during hurricane season, or don't fly in on the same day as your cruise. Get the insurance, all the things. Those are our pro tips.
Boston traffic is stupid. Along with this guy, he's a masshole, is what they call him here in Massachusetts. When you're not a nice person.
Would not let Kim get over.
Yeah. You know, I got a Florida tag. You should be nice to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I have road rage sometimes.
Yes.
I learned that from my father. Thanks,
I
Dad.
just look at my phone and ignore what's happening.
You just gotta let me.
If I try to say something, she's like, no, no. I'm like, I'm just gonna shut up.
That's the best way to go about it. But yeah, people in Massachusetts, they're called massholes. But not nice ones.
Yeah, there's not nice people everywhere.
I know.
But there's a lot of good people too.
But we're trying to get to the airport. It's traffic.
I'm sorry, Christina, we're trying.
We're trying to get to you.
We're trying.
We'll be there soon.
We're finally heading into Boston.
Oh, there's the airport over there.
Airport.
Boston Logan. It's not fun. Don't come here.
Yeah, it's
Don't
really,
recommend.
it's really not fun driving through here. But we're almost there. We're 1 minute away. We're coming, Christina. We're coming. We found Christina. We got her. She's going on the cruise, y'all.
We made it.
Woo!
My bestie's here.
We're so excited. We're so happy. Okay, let's go.
Boston traffic.
So we stopped at Patty's American Grill for some lunch here in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and they have a pool table, so we're playing some pool. Woo!
That was pretty good.
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
You made one in? Oh shoot.
We got some yummy nachos and chicken tenders. And I'm whooping everyone's butt in pool.
That's not fair.
Look how they keep the pool sticks when no one's using the tables.
That's pretty cool.
Isn't that cool?
Love it. We just enjoyed our lunch and we walked out with some Andy's mints.
Yes, Olive Garden mints. we went trick or treating.
I went a lot.
But that was fun.
Good, and it was fun playing pool. We didn't know that's what. We had no idea what this place was. We literally just Googled somewhere to eat on our way home from the airport, and we ended up here, and it was a nice little surprise.
Yeah, Portsmouth is fun. Okay, back to the campground.
Right, y'all. Kim is finally cleaning the windshield for us, but we have this permanent sap spot right there. It like won't come off. You gotta get over here. I see smudges.
You gotta do the other side.
I gotta drive and clean the windows.
That's how
And pump the gas?
And pump the gas.
What do you all do?
We're on vacation.
Me too. Are you blowing the leaves off the table? Our site is full of leaves. Don't die.
So we got some goodies at Dollar Tree, so we wanted to show you our little Dollar Tree haul.
Dollar Tree haul. We
To the
stopped.
cruise.
So to make our room a little more fun.
Yes. So starting off, we got some.
Alcohol.
Put them in spray bottles.
Show this
to keep ourselves
Show them.
sanitized.
We got all this from Dollar Tree. Instead of buying the nasty Dollar Tree hand sanitizer because it's not good, this is just alcohol.
Dries pretty quick.
Because
we can-
cruise germs are bad.
Yeah, and especially when you're using the buffet and like touching all the things. So
Yeah.
we're just being extra cautious.
Extra cautious.
We got some little odor band for like freshening the room or our clothes or whatever we need to do.
We're staying in an inside cabin on this cruise. Hold
So,
on,
a
let
nightlight-
it focus.
will be very helpful.
A nightlight, and it's a little dinosaur.
Yeah, super cute. And then we got
the inside cabins that you get like pitch black. You can't see nothing in there.
we got some little deodorizers for the room just because there's gonna be 4 of us. And in one room we're going, I don't know if we even told you, we're going on a Canada cruise out of Boston. Did we talk about all this earlier? I'm not even sure.
I don't
We
know.
assume you guys like know what we're doing all the time. So yeah, we are taking a Canada cruise out of Boston up to 4 ports for a week. So we're super excited.
She said 4 ports.
4 ports for a week.
For a
cruise.
week.
But so we got some deodorizers for the room because there's going to be 4 of us in an inside cabin. So, you know, there could be a lot of dirty clothes after a week. So this will help keep us smelling fresh.
Yeah, it's for the dirty clothes smell. That's what it's for.
So we also got some double-sided tape to help us with some of our decorations.
We got some decorations.
This fun like tablecloth that maybe we'll like put up on the wall for like a little like photo wall or something. I don't know.
Who knows?
Then we got some stickers to put on our door.
They're front and back. This one is like a mermaid one. These are all just like sticker, like little decals. So we're gonna put them like on our door, our cruise door.
I think it's fun. I think we're gonna put this inside
like these little succulents
cabin to like give us some greenery, pretend like we have some foliage, and then we got a fun like unicorn face that we get to design ourselves.
Oh look, hold on. Go to the other side. It looks like this unicorn face. So just little fun decorations for our cruise, and then that way we always know what cruise door is ours.
Right away, yeah. Especially
right away.
Having a drink package.
Yes, our Norwegian cruise includes the drink package for 7 days, so it's all you can eat. All you can eat, all you can drink. What more can you ask for? Erin doesn't have to cook dinner for a whole week.
For a week, like, which I love cooking. If you've been you know, with the channel for a bit, you know I do enjoy cooking. But it's so nice to not like have to think about it or worry about it for a whole week. Like that's a blessing for me on its own. Because y'all know Kim don't cook, so yeah. So I'm very excited for that. I'm excited to eat all the things, try all the things, see new places, be on a cruise ship. Like it's my 2nd cruise ever. Kim's been on a few, but it's my 2nd one, so I'm so excited. So let us know. We're gonna have this video out when we're on the cruise already. But if you leave any comments about things we can do in any of our ports.
Yes.
Where are we going again?
We are leaving out of Boston. Our first port is Sydney, Nova Scotia. Then we go to Corner Brook, Newfoundland. Then we go to Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. And then we go to St. John, New Brunswick.
Yes.
And we have 2 sea days in there.
Yep.
Our first day is a sea day actually, which I'm super excited for.
I think it'll be
relax.
nice. Yeah, and kind of check out the ship and just take our time, and you know, because you're just so excited, and we've been preparing for this for like a while, so it'll be nice to have a day of just like we can nap if we want, eat and pass out, whatever we want to do. So I'm excited for that.
I'm not excited for the weather that we're probably gonna have. It's probably not gonna be the best weather, especially to begin with. Tomorrow's supposed to rain all day.
Yeah.
When we leave. What's it called?
Debark.
Sail away.
Sail away?
I don't know.
When
we leave.
I'm not a professional.
So we'll see.
Yeah.
We're excited to explore more of Canada, so we get to go to 4 different ports. Which
yeah,
is
like
great.
I was saying, if you guys have any recommendations, if you've been to any of those ports before or something. Oh, chipmunk! Something that we could do that's pretty close by, because we're not gonna have a vehicle or anything like that. We're not doing any excursions because it just costs so much money, especially per person. It's just not in our budget for sure. So we're just gonna kind of do our own thing. So if you have any suggestions like that, please leave them in the comments, because hopefully we'll be able to see them on the ship. But yeah, so we will we'll have this video out, and there won't be any content out until we get back.
Yeah.
So we'll miss you, miss us, wish us well.
Our next video after this will be us getting on the cruise.
Yep, which we're so excited. So make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, you do that. Like this video for us, that would help us out a lot as well. But we're so stoked, and we can't wait to share our adventures with all of you. Alrighty, we decided to give you a look at our suitcases. They're pretty full.
They are packed to the brim.
It's a week.
Do you know how hard it is to pack for a 7-week cruise?
A 7-day cruise.
I mean, 7 weeks.
7 weeks would be really crazy.
7 days is a long
It is.
time.
It really
we
is.
have to have, you know, day clothes and nice
pajamas,
dinner clothes, pajamas,
underpants,
swimming clothes, like. So, and all your toiletries. We're packing an extra backpack to put like all our toiletries and stuff like that. We still have to shower and stuff before we can pack all that stuff. But We don't have that many clothes. We live in an RV. This is my closet.
Right?
This is the size of my closet. Like, it's not big at all. So we don't have that many clothes.
Nope.
So we did have to buy a couple outfits.
To get us through. I'm gonna be probably repurposing some outfits throughout the week.
That too. And it's gonna be chilly.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like 50s to like 70 weather, so that could be like chilly or it could still be hot. So like, do we pack shorts or do we just pack pants? How many jackets do we need? Like, it's gonna rain, do we need a rain jacket? It's like, is difficult.
We're doing the best we can.
Right? Do you feel bad for us? Packing is difficult and stressful.
It's so hard to go on a cruise. It's so hard. I'm excited though.
I know, this is like our first like real big vacation in
a long time.
Without having the dogs.
Yep.
You know, we're able to do this.
Yeah, so. It's kind of like our gift to ourselves after losing them, you know. 6 months apart, and it was, you know, it's rough. It's still sad, but we're treating ourselves. We deserve it, right? And we're gonna be with our friends. Girl trip.
Woo! Are you having so much fun?
My favorite thing ever.
Pedicures for the cruise, baby. She's painting my toes. You gotta have good toes when you're on a cruise, right? That's how we save money. We give pedicures to each other.
Yeah, so they're not the best, but I just slap a whole bunch of polish on there and then let it take a shower, and then it'll come off.
I have to shower?
Yep.
Alright. I guess I can manage.
Your weekly shower.
Shut up.
Alright, y'all, so we're just gonna leave a couple more tips before we say goodnight. We are bringing a water bottle, refillable, like Stanley cup or Yeti cup or whatever, so we can get water on the ship. I know they do have like some water filling stations like in the gym and stuff like that, because water is not included on the drink package.
Nope.
We're also bringing our Bluetooth speaker so we can have a little music in the cabin when we're getting ready or hanging out. So yeah.
Yeah, other tips. Don't fly in the same day as your cruise, and don't go during hurricane season.
Yep, we're reiterating that for you just because we just experienced it.
Luckily our friend got here in time. Our other friend's flying in, getting in at like 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, she's coming from Colorado though, so we're hoping she doesn't have any issues with her flight.
But yeah, so excited for
our
so
cruise. Excited. I don't know if we're gonna get any sleep tonight, but we're gonna try. So we appreciate all of you, and make sure again you hit your subscribe if you want to see our upcoming cruise videos. And we wish you all a wonderful evening, and we appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.